Good morning, student. Welcome to Indra Smart System. In previous class, uh, we have discussed about prepositions. I introduced about the preposition. So, prepositions. Already, I told you in previous class important of preposition and how you are connect with verb also. Verb and object, that is very important for every students. They are making different type of grammatical error whenever they are speaking someone else, and they are writing anything also. So main thing is preposition knowledge is very important. But in previous class I told everything in brief manner. Today I explained everything also step by step, and you watch that. That is very important. And preposition are the word of the group of word which are generally placed before a noun, pronoun, express it relations the part of sentence. The noun pronoun used is called with the object also. The other things, you can watch this. It is a going on preposition about the part two class, and I have written here some example. And first of all, you have to start use of the form, where you can use of the form is uses. That is very important. I have written here what you can use of the form there. Form is form some place. You know, place. Place means what? This is jaga. Jaga means in any kind of place will become, and you must be used there. Form also. There you must use from also. Place means, but I have not mentioned the all example, only one example mentioned. You can write I am coming from. It is Delhi. I am coming from Delhi. Delhi is what? It is also place. Okay. You can write which your place. It belongs to which place. Place will become. You must be there, right? From also. So another thing you remember, whenever you have to write application, you have to mention date. Okay, this date to that date. You can write from. Okay, you have to in future you have to leave 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. And how many days you in future you can leave? You can write the word. Uh, You can write 15th September from 15th September to the 13th September. So it is 2030 also. So particular date to date and particular time to time will become 2 a.m. to from 2 a.m. to from 5 o'clock. You can write like that. So you are must there use their form also. So another thing is that point of time also. Point of the time means samay. Okay. Point of the time will become, so in that place, in that case, also you can use there also form also. One of the time means what? Another example you watch here. I will work from tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? It is a tomorrow here mention time. I work from tomorrow. You can start your work from tomorrow onwards. So tomorrow is what? It is a time. You can you will beginning your work from tomorrow, so that so you can use that from another thing also. So uh, from also any source is written. Form also you can use any source means what? I heard it from Ram. Source means you are getting from someone else. Means what kind of things you are getting from us, means you are getting a message from. and you heard from, and whatever you are getting. So in that case, uh, you can be used there from also anything dispersed from any company, any office. Okay, in that matter, whatever you are from any source means whatever you are getting from other sources. Okay, other sources and other persons and other individuals. In that case also you must be their use of form also. The form is uses in the simple method I told you right now. You are use of the place. Remember one thing. First rule is that place will become is there. You must be their use place also. And the second thing is that the point of time will become is there. So you must be used there. Point of time will become you must be. One other place, another is time will become you are used there, but form also. So and another thing is the source. You are getting from another source. Whatever you are getting in your life, source. Okay, source means source means ଯେକୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଯେକୌଣସି ଲୋକ ଯେକୌଣସି ଅଫିସ ହଉ କମ୍ପାନୀ ହଉ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ତ in that source you are getting any newspaper also you can be write there also form also so you can understand where you can use the three things where we come. One is place, one is time, another source. Source means it is a come from the every informative things also. In three things will become you are used there also most also. Okay. So next you are see that where you can be used off also, but I have written also off you can use and get off and take off. What is the meaning of the get off and take off? किसी सतह से अलग होना. In previous class I told किसी सतह से अलग होना means गोटे you can write it is your what it is your book shelf. Okay, it is your book shelf. Some books is there. Okay, so some books are held on this place, but you can use here off also. How you can use off? But it is off means already you are get off from this place. The things also get off from this place also. You can say picked up the mobile of the bed. You can write there. I picked the mobile of the bed means ସିଏ ତା ବେଡ୍ ରୁ କଣ କଲା ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଉଠେଇଲା ମାନେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା କଣ କଲା ବେଡ୍ ରେ ପଡିଥିଲା ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ କଣ ବେଡ୍ ରେ ଇଟ ଇଜ ଏ ବେଡ୍ ଏ ବେଡ୍ ରେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ କଣ କଲା ଅଲଗା କଲା ହଁ in that place ରେ ସେ ଯଦି ଅଲଗା କରିଲା ସେ ଜାଗାରୁ ତ ସେଠି ଆମେ କଣ ଲେଖିବା ଅଫ୍ ଲେଖିବା ବେଡ୍ ରୁ ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଉଠେଇବା କୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ କାଢିବା ସେଠି ଆମେ କଣ ୟୁଜ କରିବା off यूज करबा एटा हमरो get off format रे यूज हेची बुझला नै तो I picked off the mobile I picked the mobile of the bed से बेड को कोन गला मोबाइल ता उठेला सेति में आमे सेति off रो यूज करले तो नेक्स्ट थिंग तो होची से कोन को टेक ऑफ माने से कोन गला मूव द कप ऑफ द टेबल move the cup ଆମେ ତ ହୋଟେଲ ଯାଉଛେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ଯାଉଛେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ହଁ ସେଠି ଗ୍ଲାସ ଥାଉଛି କିଛି ଇଏ ଥାଉଛି ସାମଗ୍ରୀ ଥାଉଛି ତ ଆମେ କଣ ୱେଟର କୁ କରୁଛେ ୟୁ ଟେକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାନେ ସେଟା ସେଠୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦିଅ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅ ହଟେଇ ଦିଅ ବୋଲେ in that place you have must use their word move the cup of the table you can like that you also you can say you can write also तो ऑफ रो दीटा जिनसे बुझलो गोटेला गेट ऑफ आउडेला टेक ऑफ ए दीटा प्रोसेस रे इन दैट केस रे गेट ऑफ एंड टेक ऑफ प्रोसेस रे यू कैन राइट आल्सो ऑफ रो यूज हमें यूज करबा हला ऑफ रो यूज ना साथ ए जगह रे पे तो जोड़ा के बेसिकली इज required to you are writing and you are spoken, so that things also I mentioned. Preposition is a vast part, everybody know that preposition का गुण होची बहुत गुड़े vast part. You can हम जब पढ़िबा मतलब you have to take 6 month 1 year हेले मत सेरा पण हबो, that is incomplete mode रे ही रही. तो next जीवा since, use of since everybody know that जतो हम ग्रामर पढुले since रो यूज टा ऑलरेडी को कहतली तम मानकू, बट आउथरे भलो भाबरे रिमेम्बर कर दोछि. हां, since रो यूज कोड हबो से बोला इसका प्रयोग निश्चित समय के साथ होता है. जब हला नेक्स्ट हम जी since देखो तो इसका प्रयोग निश्चित समय के साथ होता है जब भी कभी वाक्य में रहा, रही और रहे का प्रयोग भी होता है. रहा, रही, रहे. In this case, these things may become you are must be used there what since also. Since कोड कोड हम यूज करि परबे. देखो since ता हम ईयर पर यूज करबे 2019 2002 2003 4 5 6 any year. या since ता हम गोटे बोले कहबा बोले another thing here mention हम कहबा बोले point of time जति पळासला मन रखो. Point of time will be coming is there, you are must be used there since also. Point of time जति पळासला से हमें since ता यूज करिबा दरकार. Point of time माने particular time ता इंडिकेशन करथुबो. There may be indication a particular time, you can use there since also. Okay, बुझियला. तो since ता देखो एडी गुड एग्जांपल देले हमें I have been working since morning. Morning ता होची निर्दिष्ट समय, सेतिमे निर्दिष्ट समय since morning माने I have been working सकाळ टू एबे पर्यंत काम करी आसुछि बोले मीनिंग ता हो. You have to working since morning माने कोन सकाळ टू समय काम बिगिनिंग करी आसुछि एबे चलछि. एडा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस ला अछि बोला नहीं. यू आर गेटिंग परफेक्ट टेंस में कोन करथली जो कामटा हां जो कामटा पूर्वरु चलथिला एबे भी चलछि हला आगु भी चलिबार संभावना अछि. इन दैट केस रे स्टिल कंटिन्यू अछि. सेबी हैव बीन प्लस सिंस रो यूज रो हवाडा बहुत आवश्यक. सेतिबेडी सिंस से अछि यूज हेछि. तो इकला ही हैज बीन ट्राइंग सिंस मंडे. से कोन करछि मंडे ठारू यू कैन राइट you he has been trying since Monday. Monday ठारू कामटा से बजाय रखुछि. since ता हम कोड कोड यूज करले तो देखो since ता गुडा हम year पर यूज करि परिया. जे कोनसी year हला year माने निर्दिष्ट पीरियड पर टाइम जदी पड़ला पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जदी पड़ला पर्टिकुलर टाइम का इंडिकेशन होछि. तो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ता निर्दिष्ट समयटा जदी सेठी मेंशन हला सेठी हमें since रो यूज करिवा बहुत आवश्यकता अछि. तो एडी पर्टिकुलर टाइम जदी आइला 2 o'clock बा 2 am 2 pm इन दिस केस द निर्दिष्ट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आइला तो इन दैट केस रे हमें since रो यूज करिवा. तो since आउट रे कोड यूज करिवा मंडे हला. मंडे जदी आसला मंडे टू सैटरडे पर्टिकुलर कोन डे रे हम ऑन मंडे भी लिखबा जे कोन निर्दिष्ट समय जे देला तो ऑन मंडे माने से कामडा से समय टू स्टिल कंटिन्यू अछि. तो मंडे हो सैटरडे हो सेठी हमें since रो यूज मध्य करि परिबा. तो मॉर्निंग इवनिंग से बुझलो केंदी हला सेंटेंस इज रिटन हियर. देखो जो हमें सेंटेंस पे लिखा है he has been trying to since Monday also. You can write another thing also since yesterday गत काली ठारू since childhood हां पिला ठारू. इन दैट केस रे तमे since रो यूज कर परिबो. बुझला नहीं. तो since रो जानले तीनटा दिन जानले from of since ए तीनटा दिन से यूज बहुत यूज हबो whenever you have to write it. तो हम लिखिबा तो बहु मात्रा एटा यूज हबो. ओके. नेक्स्ट जीवा में 4 रो यूज करबा where you can use of 4 4 माने देखो सिंस टा हमें सबले पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम रे यूज करले 4 टा तार ऑपोजिट 4 टा यूज हो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम रे 4 टा रो यूज हो जदि पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जदि आसला से जगह रे हमें 4 टा को यूज करबा पीरियड ऑफ टाइम माने सेटा कोन हेतु पर्टिकुलर टाइम रे इंडिकेशन करना तो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम माने कोन पूरा बुझा जाची परियो 2 वीक 2 आवर 3 आवर तो एटा कोन होला पर्टिकुलर टाइम का मेंशन होनी तो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जदि आइला इन दैट केस रे हम कोन करबा 4 टा को यूज करबा तो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कोन का वजह 4 का प्रयोग अनिश्चित समय बा यानी समय की अथवा के साथ होता है तो जब भी कभी वाक्य में कौन हो it is the duration of the time will cover 4 is used duration of time you right 4 टा हमर यूज अछि कौन duration of time कोन तका में period of time will cover period of time कोन एग्जांपल कोन होबो एग्जांपल होबो हमें 4 2 वीक लिख परिवा 4 3 आवर लिख परिवा हला 4 हला ऐसे अगर 4 लगेबा हमें यू कैन यूज देयर 4 लिखवा 4 ईयर लिख परिवा 5 ईयर लिख परिवा तो ऐसा को कोन हमें कहबा these are a period of time जगह असला सेठी हमें 4 रो यूज करबा तो एग्जांपल कोन होबो हम देखिबा what you can write examples like so I have been studying for 2 hours you can write I have been studying for 2 hours तो it देखो I have been studying for 2 hours लिखा है you have to see that here written about I have been studying to 2 hours 2 hours का कौन है ना period of time है so that the 2 hour is a period of time the mention is there so that we are using there 4 also the period of time आइला duration जो आइला in that case से हमें 4 टा को यूज करबा I have been the 2 hour कोन हमें कोनसी point of time the indication होची तो हमें since लिखबा so point of time is not indication is there so that we can use there 4 also अब what use कर पड़ेगा he has been trying for many days he has been trying for many days माने हम लिख परिबा 4 टा यूज हो 2 सेकंड भी 4 2 सेकंड 3 सेकंड भी लिख परिबा 4 2 मिनट भी लिख परिबा 4 2 आवर लिख परिबा एटा कोन रखो 4 टा 4 लिख परिबा 2 सेकंड 4 2 मिनट हला 2 आवर तो इन दैट केस रे 2 मंथ भी लिख परिबा हला 4 2 मंथ ए सब कोणाला पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के मेंशन आएगा तो इन दैट केस रे हमें 4 टका में यूज कर परिबा फॉर ए लॉन्ग माने काफी देर से for a long time हम बोलते for a long time ago बोलते for a long time लगते हाँ तो इन दैट केस रे मध्य हमें for लग पड़ा for a while कर परिबा for many कर परिबा for day कर परिबा hour year भी कर परिबा for अब कर परिबा for long for a long लिख परिबा for many भी हम लिख परिबा for अब गोटे for टा यूज हे परिबा where you can use the for अब कोन से जगह for टा यूज हे परिबा for हमरो for any purpose पर्पस रे भी यूज हे करियो यू कैन राइट फॉर यूज एनी पर्पस you can write there for use uses any purpose so you can write I did not for you can write example for लिख करवा I did not for you एग्जांपल देखा जाउची देखो कहला मैं ये तुम्हारे लिए किया मैं ये तुम्हारे लिए किया यू कैन राइट आई डिड नॉट फॉर हला आई डिड नॉट फॉर यू मैं ये तुम्हारे लिए किया नहीं तो फॉर यू एटा हला पर्पस एनी पर्पस रे जो आसला एनी पर्पस रे यू कैन राइट ही कम टू मी फॉर मनी से तार पर्पस रे कोन another example he came to me for money he came to it is a for use you are using here for the reason is that where the for ta jo use hela iti se tar purpose kon thila kebal money pai ta babu aisla so in that case and purpose mila money pai asila setme you can write there for money da hochi tar purpose hala अब गोटे पोर्टा यूज कर परबा सिगला किसी चीज के बदले किसी कुछ और बोल पला फॉर एक्सचेंज हां अगर मैं कहूं कि मैंने 20 की किताब खरीदे तो इसका मतलब ये है कि 20 रुपए के बदले में किताब ली तो तार बदल रे आई गेव ए मोबाइल फॉर 500 you can write another example for exchange I gave a mobile for 500 another thing that he brought a pen for 5 rupees I brought a pen for 5 rupees you can write he brought a pen for 5 rupees तो ए पेन से जो पेन अछि दिस पेन इज बॉट कितना रे किल्ला 5 रुपीस से इज brought from 5 rupees so that you can use therefore also ओके आज हम कोन कोन सिखले फ्रॉम सिखले यूज रो फ्रॉम कोड यूज हो सेटा सिखले नेक्स्ट कोन सिखले फ्रॉम पर सिखले ऑफ रो यूज कोड हो सिखले नेक्स्ट कोड सिखले फॉर रो कोड यूज हो हां सिखले आउ कोन सिखले सिंस रो कोड हो सिखले नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हम सिखिबा इन कोड यूज हो हां नेक्स्ट सिखिबा इनटू कोड यूज हो बिफोर कोड यूज हो ए सब जगह कोन करछु मु शॉर्ट रे तुमको कहतली बट टुडे यू हैव टू ऑल द एग्जांपल्स यू हैव टू कोड कोन यूज होछि हम जानि पाले नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें इन इनटू आउ जहा अछि ता सिखिबा ओके